Hey everyone, today's design is an updated recreation of a mani I did a while back. I added some fallen leaves in place of flowers over this simple dry brushed wood background to give this design a new fall twist. To start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails. I then painted my nails with 2 coats of a very light nude polish. I then applied a latex barrier around all of my nails and allowed everything to dry before moving on. To complete the wood background, I used the dry brush technique with several darker nude polishes. I started with a slightly darker nude than the base and cleaned the brush off on the side of the bottle and on my silicone mat, and then brushed the leftover polish onto my nails. I then repeated the process with a medium nude polish and a brown polish as well. For the final layer, I added some black to the top and then removed the latex barrier. To finish the wood, I used a detail brush and black acrylic paint to add some thin cracks to make it look like the wood had splintered in places. Moving on to the leaves, I used white acrylic paint and my detail brush to draw the outline of different leaf shapes near some of the corners of my nails. I filled the leaves in with white until they were opaque to help the rest of the colors show up evenly and stand out against the background. I then began adding color to my leaf outlines. For the first leaf, I used brown near the edges and blended orange and yellow for the body. I then added some veins to the leaf with brown paint. For the second leaf, I blended red, orange, yellow, and light green and used brown for the veins. To finish, I sealed my nails with a satin top coat to give the wood a more natural looking finish. I hope you all liked these nails and let me know if you prefer the spring or fall version of this design better.